Today I'm going to go pack rafting for the first time up the Blaeberry River. Today I want to focus on what it feels like to make a sales call. In particular, a cold call. A call on a prospect that you've never met. So what's this got to do with pack rafting in the mountains? What I'm trying to simulate here is a metaphorical experience. And what I mean by that is, just like going on a cold call, I'm about to go on a river that I've never rafted before. But there is the same feeling as going into a cold call. In other words, I'm going into a place that's unknown. I don't know how it's going to treat me. I don't know what the weather's going to do. There's a lot of I don't know. There's a lot of uncertainty. And that's what a cold call is. So I'm trying to train my mind to be comfortable in this space. If you do these things that internalize this mind training, if you will, you'll never have to make the decision, should I make a cold call or not? And of course, the more cold calls and sales calls you make as a salesperson, the more successful you're going to be. You'll have confidence. You'll walk into a new customer situation at any time and say, well, of course I'm going to go do this. Let's go into the adventure. I have to walk upstream for a few kilometers. I'll pick a spot to put in. Oh, how nice. There's thunder. Hi, this is Rob Herbst. And I know two things: the great outdoors and the adventure of sales.
Bear tracks. That adds to the excitement.
Nope. Changed my mind again. It's starting to sock in.
Feeling alive.
Pack raft is blown up properly, right inflation amount, pressure wise, the seat, oars in place, everything's in the bag. But once you're prepared, you want to go. You push the go button. Let's go. We're going down there, and we're going to find our way.
The mindset. You want to simulate the mindset and get it ingrained in your head. This is like going to make a cold call with a customer you've never met. You don't know what's going to happen. You have a plan. I know I'm going down this river. I want to stay in the deep parts, in the throat of the rapids. I want to stay to the outside of the curls on the river. The river has changed. It rained last night. I don't know what's going to happen. Just like you don't know what's going to happen on a sales call. Let's get into the fast water. Let's start talking to that customer and see what they start throwing at us. Things will speed up. Let's see what it gives us. You got to make decisions on the fly. Left side or right side? Looks deeper on the right side. I want to go on the right side. A little rougher, but that's okay. Right in the throat. Lots happening. It's coming at you quick. Your plan is good. You're glad you planned, but now you're in it. Now you control your mind. You go to the calm parts of your mind. You know something's going to get thrown at you. You just don't know what it is. Slow. Something's coming up here. I'm going to stay in the throat of it. I don't want to hit that log. Perfect. Right on. So you want to give yourself some mental tips before something happens in a sales call. Instead of things triggering you, you want to control the triggers. So when something happens, decisions come up, you want to stay in decision-making mode quickly. I want to reduce everything to, do I do this? Do I do that? I want to, I just got a fork. I got to stay left. I got to get over there. Now, I'm going right. I'm going to stay right. I got to go hard to stay right. So most of the water is. I want to bottom out. Perfect. Yeah, left would have been too shallow. Good decision. So we're looking ahead. We're looking ahead. In a sales call, you are looking ahead. You're looking ahead. You are alive. You're watching the water. You're watching the customer. We are in it. Clear that debris. Get a class one here. Awesome. Yes. Working with the flow. working with the flow of the call, working with the customer, how they're thinking, in tune with, connect, gather information, take it all in.
When are you ever disappointed after you've made a call? When are you ever disappointed after you've tried something you've never done?
Nice ride.
That's what you got to get inside you. That's what I'm trying to get across. If you keep doing things you've never done, you're training yourself to your mindset to be very comfortable looking forward into, geez, what's down there? It was awesome. Thanks for joining me at spireselling.com. I'm Rob Herbst. Take care. See you next time. And make the call.
To begin your sales learning adventure, come visit spireselling.com and see our books and courses to help you along. I offer a free book called Cheating Death with every course. Thanks for watching.